If you've got a project car that hasn't been moved in months, this video here is for you. If you ever walked into the garage, looked at your car, and walked right back out, I've been there. Today I want to talk about how to get motivated, stay motivated, and actually finish your project car without burning yourself out. And you could do it as well by following these 8 easy steps. Project cars are supposed to be fun, but at some point they stop feeling fun. They turn into stress, guilt, and this constant feeling that you should be working on them. I've gone through it more times than I can count, and this video is everything I've learned from being stuck and getting unstuck. Number 1, just do it. The biggest reason people never start or never continue is overthinking. You stand there planning every step, questioning every move, and before you know it, nothing happens. So here's the rule: don't think, just start. Open the hood, grab a wrench, clean one thing, clean another. Motivation comes after action, not before. Usually I have to just get up off the couch and just start cleaning something, whether it be the window, or the door jams or something, and it's history after all that. Step 2, chip away. You don't need to finish a mod in one night. That mindset will kill your project. Instead, chip away. 30 minutes here, one small task there. Progress doesn't have to be dramatic. It just has to be consistent. Those little wins stack up faster than you think. Step number 3, prepping and buying parts ahead of time. A lot of projects stall because parts are expensive. So instead of waiting until you can afford everything at once, prep ahead. Do your research, buy parts slowly. $20 today, $30 next week. You won't feel it leaving your account. But one day you'll look at your shelf and realize it's go time. Part number 4, inspiration versus overstimulation. Inspiration is huge, but it can also destroy motivation. Watching build videos, good. Doom scrolling Instagram for an hour, bad. Seeing 500 builds in 30 minutes fries your brain. You end up overwhelmed and paralyzed instead of motivated. Watch creators who show the process, not just the finished product. Part number 5, burnout, the part nobody talks about. Burnout is real and it sneaks up on you. I've been a car guy my whole life. Model cars, servo motors, cutting things up as a kid. But even passion has its limits. If you don't step away sometimes, your dopamine dries up, and that's when the fun disappears. Taking breaks isn't quitting, it's maintenance. Trust me, on this convertible build, I had to put it back in storage a couple of times. Alright, now part number 6. Take breaks, but have a plan. Here's the important part. Breaks only work if you have a plan. Make a list of everything you want to do to your car. Not a deadline, no pressure, just a roadmap. Knowing what's next keeps excitement alive. When you come back from a break, you already know where to start. I like to buy those whiteboards at Walmart. That way you could just make a list of everything from the get-go. All the tasks, all the parts you need to order, you can have everything nice and organized. Step number 7, I don't have time. Let's be honest. Time isn't gone, it's just spent somewhere else. Go check your screen time right now. Most of us have hours we don't even realize we're burning. If you shift just a little of that time toward your build, you'd be surprised how much progress you'd make. Even 20 minutes counts. I literally locked in during quarantine and built this cut list. 45 minutes here, 2 hours there, an hour, just chipping away at it. In 6 months this car was built. Part number 8, mindset shift, enjoy the process. Stop chasing the finished car. The build is the reward. The nights in the garage, the mistakes, the learning, hanging out with friends, hanging out with your family. If you enjoy the process, the motivation never fully disappears. If this video helped you out, go do one small thing on your project today. Drop your build in the comments. I want to see what you're working on. And if you're not subscribed, hit that like and subscribe button. We're building real cars at a real pace without burning ourselves out. And also, you got to remember one thing. Build a car the way you want to build your car. Don't listen to anybody else. Constructive criticism is good, but at the end of the day, it's your car and you're gonna drive it. Build it how you want it, build it on your budget, do what you gotta do. And here are some highlights from my past builds. Check them out.